Hey everyone, Ivy here. Welcome back to Immersive PDFs 101. Today we are diving into a question I often get. Three.js or Babylon.js? Well, both are compelling 3D JavaScript libraries, but how do you decide which is right for your next project? Or if you're new to both, which one you should start learning? Whether you're just getting started or you're an experienced developer. Stick around because this video is going to break down the key differences so you can make the best decision. Let's start by introducing these two contenders. Three.js, released in 2010, is known for its minimalistic approach. It's perfect for building 3D graphics on the web, from simple visualization to more complex web experiences. Meanwhile, Babylon.js, launched in 2013, is full-fledged game engine for the web. It comes loaded with built-in tools so developers can create everything from small projects to full-scale interactive applications or games. So, what do Three.js and Babylon.js do? Let's put it this way. If you wanted to create a simple 3D scene with just a cube rotating on your web page using raw WebGL, you will need to write a lot of code, about 100 lines of code just to get started. This includes setting up WebGL context, writing shaders, creating buffer objects, and managing rendering loops. That's all before you even get to the fun part, adding lighting, textures, or interactivity. Enter Three.js and Babylon.js, which streamline this process by handling all the heavy lifting for you. What used to take hundreds of lines of code can now be done in just a handful. With either library, setting up a scene or camera is as simple as single function call. Now that you know what they do, how do you pick the right one for your next project? Let's talk about Three.js first. It's famous for its simplicity. If you're just getting started into 3D development, this is a great place to start because Three.js has a better documentation and community support for beginners. On the other hand, Babylon.js offers more advanced tools right out of the box. You get physics engine, support for AR/VR, advanced shaders, and more. However, that means there is a steeper learning curve if you want to take full advantage of everything Babylon.js has to offer. Now that we have covered the basics, let's compare Three.js and Babylon.js based on their performance and features. When it comes to speed and handling complex 3D scenes, Three.js gives developers more control over how things are displayed because it's closer to the core technology. This means you can tweak how things look by customizing parts of the system. For example, Google I/O used Three.js to create stunning 3D web experience, taking advantage of this flexibility to make custom visual effects that fit their unique needs. On the other hand, Babylon.js comes with built-in tools to manage bigger, more complex scenes right away. This makes it perfect for large projects, like web-based games. For instance, the online version of Minecraft Classic was built using Babylon.js. The built-in performance features help keep the game running smoothly, even on devices that aren't very powerful. Both libraries are packed with features, but they offer them in different ways. Three.js is very flexible and lets you add your own shaders, plugins, and have complete control over how things are displayed. This makes it great for developers who want to create something highly customized. For example, when NASA built a 3D experience of the Mars rover, they used Three.js because it allowed them to add complex visual effects and control lighting exactly the way they wanted. Babylon.js comes with built-in features like physics engine, PBR materials, and tools for VR and AR. For example, the HoloLens 2 demo used Babylon.js to create an immersive AR experience, saving time with its ready-to-use features. It also has an inspector tool to debug and optimize scenes, which is a big help for large projects like Assassin's Creed VR experience. So, which one should you choose? If you're just starting out, need something simple and flexible, or want full control over your 3D environment, Three.js is a fantastic choice. But if you're building something bigger and more complex or need game-level features right from the start, then Babylon.js is probably your best bet. We have linked a detailed resource in the description below if you want a more in-depth comparison where we break down performance and features in even more detail. If you found this video helpful, Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!